Sal's Capanos. Take two. Hi, I'm Sal. Starting again?
Yeah, you can do as many times as you want. Hi boys and girls, it's us. And we're back in Kutztown. And it's Friday and we're just having a good old time. So we're just going to do the normal walk around, check to see what's going on, who's here. And don't forget we got an auction going on later on, so we'll catch up with you in a little bit. You gonna say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye, Gracie.
Good night, Gracie.
Good night, Gracie. How dark that cloud is.
That's going around us.
Hope you're right.
Maybe not.
Find out. I don't know. I don't know. We'll find out.
FCC. Oh yeah. Okay, no, I haven't seen one of those.
That's a lifetime.
That's got your name on it.
That's a lifetime license.
That's cool.
In 1985, they issued that as the last one. I don't have to renew it.
Cool.
When I die, that's useless.
But until then, it's good. That's cool.
That's really neat. Can I put this in the video, Ted? Do you mind? If I were to put this, can I put this in my video for
Go
the...
ahead if you want to.
I'd love to. I think this is really cool.
There you go.
Thanks.
The rules for patents are quite simple.
Hey, they're not simple. They're very complex.
No, but they're basically simple. It has to be something that someone familiar
Philco 60?
60? Same one, same pattern, because they made a million of them. But that same two-tone and decorative knots. Look at that horn, that's nuts. What the hell is that? This is the craziest horn I've ever seen.
Let's have that. This is the last of the one. The other one is more money. Probably. Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Come on, Rich, leave me alone.
Nice to see everybody here. I hope you got money in your pocket. Now, one question before we start. Let's see a show of hands from people that are here to buy communications equipment. Okay. Now, show people here to buy other radios. Okay, we're going to start with the other radios. They win. Okay, you heard it, folks. We're going to bring up wooden radios, house radios, etc.
Good idea.
22-1.
22-26. We have a Model 40 AK. It's got all the tubes there. Looks to be in good condition.
Okay, AK with all the tubes in it. Looks to be okay. $5 for the AK. $5 for the AK somewhere. Who said yeah? Here. I got you up there. 10 anywhere. 10 anywhere. $10 on the AK anywhere. Number.
Hold it up.
Hold it up. 13 for $5.
Wow.
Next. AK speaker to go with it. What's the number?
2218.
2218. We got an AK speaker. $5 on the AK speaker. 5 I've got. 7.5 somewhere. 7.5 on the AK speaker. Nobody else?
Wow.
85 for 5.
We got lot 2285. We have a Thompson 3-dialer with 5 low 01As in it.
Okay, $3 with all the 01As in it.
And them loads. Thompson.
$20 on the $3 with the 01As. You got that much in tubes?
Yes.
Where do I see? Back there. I got 20. 25 somewhere. How about 22.5? I'll be easy. 20. 85 for 20.
Lot 2221. We got order kit 944.
Okay, now we got a nice outwater kit. Let's change our tune here. How about starting this for 25 bucks?
It works.
25 on a working outwater kit. 25 I've got back there. 30. 35 somewhere. 30, 35, 40. 45. 50 anywhere? 50. 50 I got. 60. 70 anywhere? 70. 70. 75. 80. 90.
Wow.
No? 85 I got. 90. 80. 90 I got now. 95. 100. 10. Sure you would. 20. 20. 30. 20 I got. 30 anywhere? 13.
2220. Philco 60.
Nice Philco 60.
Very nice cabinet.
Looks
Not
good.
missing any veneer. It's clean. It supposedly works, and it's got the brakes in the back.
Okay, nice Philco. $25 on the Philco. 25 on the Philco.
Restored and working.
25 I've got. 30 somewhere. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Sure you would. How about 47.5? Would that help you?
Sure.
What is that, 50? 52.5?
Yes.
52.5 back there. 57.5? 60? 62.5? 65? 67.5? 70? 72.5? 5? And you're out. 75, 77.5, 80, 77.5 we got. Anybody else? 94 for 77.5.
-1, theta, catalin. No back, has all the tubes. Needs a cord.
Okay, there you go, theta catalin. 50 bucks on the theta.
Yes.
50 back there. 60. 70, Dave. 80. 90. 100. 120. 140. 160. 180. 2 bills. You're out. 180 I got, looking for 2 bills. 2 bills I got over here. Got another player. 220. Over here. 240, 240. 250.
Yes.
260. 270.
Yes.
80. 90. 300. 320. 340.
Got it in the back.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. 340. 360. 380. Way in the back. 400. Way back there. 420. No, behind you. Weren't you up?
No, 400 in the back.
Way in the back. Yo, you got to be 420. He was 400 in front of you. You're in? 420. Bob, 440. 460. All right, let's take all this out. Who wants to pay 500? Like, I still got them in at 5. Everybody's in at 500. All right, we're going to do this show of hands. 550. Everybody's still in. 600. Everybody, you in still? I still got all 3 of you in. 650. You're out. You're in. Keep your number up. Trick is keep your number up. All right. 700. Still in? 750. You're out. I got down to 2 now. You and him. 750. 800. There's 2 of you. We're going to one of your drops.
841.
You 800 also? Okay. 850. We still in at 850? 900. Still in. $1,000. You're still in? He's out. All right. You're at 900. $1,000, right? 950. Right. Okay. 950 on 41. Anybody else? We all in and done? Happy, smiling? 950 to 41.
There's super head, beautifully made, copper line, a really rare piece, but it's been lived in. Beautiful radio. Nice straight. No doubt about it.
But the FHA canceled their lease.
Really rare piece.
Here we go. 50 bucks on this.
Yes, 2 of them.
2 of them I got at 50.
So, yep, in the corner.
And 3 of them, all right. 60. 70. 80 way back. 90. 100. 110.
Yes.
120 in the back. 130. 140. 150. 160. 70.
250.
250 in the back.
250 you got with a boost bid. 250.
Wow.
275. You still in? 275. 300. 400 he says. Wow. 450? 5? Here we go again. 550. 6? 650.
I saw it.
7? 750. 8? 850. You out? He's out. We're at 8, 850 to you in the back. He's in. 900. 950.
$1,000.
He says $1,000. 1050?
Yes.
He's still in. Didn't blow him away. You out now? Okay, 10 we're in at. You're in for 10. Anybody else? 97 for $1,000. We appreciate your business.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Just sold it now. Just sold the buy it now stuff, right? Buy it now. Here, let me get hand roll this.
Come on, guys, a lot of quality radio stuff here.
Look at all this good stuff.
Look at that radio. That's beautiful. Everyone's looking at that. All those tubes in there and the case. You fix that case up, that's a $20 cabinet.
Actually, we got a pretty good cabinet.
Yeah, it's better than one of the ones I have at home. Maybe I can make something out of it.
I bought something.
What do we got? You got it. $1. Take it away. Well,
Actually,
Start at 12 o'clock, then 12:30, then 1 o'clock.
A lot of good bargains here. They're burning up over here.
Right over it. Forget that. You'll never be able to get that.
Old Echo phone.
Yeah.
That's early Hallcrafters.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, look at those pretty flowers.
Yep.
Where'd they come from?
They came from Renninger.
Okay.
They have salvia. They have Dusty Miller. They have all of your classic annuals. I sound like a commercial. Fairly priced, nice, healthy plants. Then,
Okay.
and that's just in the spring. They have
Okay.
nice flowers.
Uh-oh.
Then,
Oh, you got a beer?
no, you know, they like
Uh-oh.
to bake too. So we also have some
What? That looks like a Danish.
strawberry cheese Danish.
Oh.
Fairly priced, fresh, low calorie.
Okay.
And I wish you could smell this, but inside this bag is a nice, good-sized can of bacon.
Oh, that bacon?
Bacon and cheese Danish. We're talking healthy stuff here.
Real bacon. That's a pound of bacon too, not that 12 ounce or 11 ounce package you get in the grocery store, right? Oh, what's in here? What's in the bag?
Donuts.
Oh, donuts.
Fresh made.
Donuts.
And fresh oil, nice and fluffy.
Oh.
Worth every penny. You'll never go to a
that's
franchise donut place again.
Yeah.
So hey, you know when the guys are
And
walking around
this is
doing
here
their
at the radio
radio
show too, right?
Yeah.
In the main building, right?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. And
Yeah, so you
they
got.
have all fall produce, fall flowers, mums, everything.
Yeah, so you bought some stuff. That's what's in those brown bags, right? You bought some. What you buy? Pickles?
Oh, you know, I forgot if this was the healthy stuff.
Oh, this is the healthy stuff?
Yeah.
What is that? Is that bowling ball? Oh no, it's lettuce. Okay.
We're talking Vidalia onions.
Wow.
And we're talking cucumbers.
Oh, cool.
Nice and fresh.
Fresh ones.
The best is the flowers. I mean, look how pretty.
Yeah, they are.
And now we can plant them, and then tomorrow and Monday it's going to rain and we're covered.
Yeah, of course now it's going to rain, and you can only just stare at it. And you're going to have to keep them away from Berwyn too, because Berwyn's going to probably want to do something with them.
Yeah, he'll sample them. That's fine.
Maybe we got to just leave them on the patio or something.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thanks, honey. So darn cute. Oh, look who came.
Take two. Hi, I'm Sal. Starting again?
Yeah, you do as many times as you want.